Welcome to Breakout EDU, Naughty or Nice, a Christmas game to test your wits to see if you are on the naughty or the nice list this year. The story. Oh no, it's Christmas Eve and the Naughty and Nice book is missing from Santa's office. One of the mischievous elves must have thought it would be fun to hide it somewhere in Christmas Village and play a little joke. Without the book, Santa won't be able to deliver presents to all the good boys and girls around the world. Santa needs your help to locate the missing book before it is time to depart the North Pole. Lock setup. Set the locks as seen below. 3-digit 619, 4-digit 4256, the directional lock, right, left, up, right, left, the ABC multi-lock, the word trees, and the key lock can be found somewhere near a Christmas book. Resources you'll need for the game are all shown here from the Breakout EDU kit. You'll also need a tablet or device that can scan a QR code. With your invisible ink pen, you're going to be writing some number words on the 4-digit lock puzzles. The word 1 can be written somewhere on this puzzle, 2, 3, and 4. If your students need a little bit of help, you can also just write the number. Printouts you'll need for this game are all shown here for all the different puzzles for the game. Game overview. In the large Breakout EDU box, you're going to place the poster that says, "We found the book, are you naughty or nice?" Place the hasp on the large box, along with the ABC multi-lock, directional lock, 4-digit lock, and the key lock. Inside of the small Breakout EDU box, you're going to place the 4-digit lock puzzle, the sign that is shown here, as well as the puzzles that have the invisible ink written on them. For more of a challenge, you may cut out each one of these puzzles so students will have to put them together once they open the small box. In order to open that small breakout box, they'll need the 3-digit lock puzzle. They'll notice that the sign says the time is near, the countdown is on, and all of the presents have been added up. They'll notice the time is 6 o'clock for the number 6, the countdown is 1 day, and there are 9 presents when they count them on the ground to open that 3-digit lock. For the 4-digit lock puzzle, you can place the puzzles that will be inside of that small box. Once they open it up, they're going to find the sign that says, "Santa's shop is all out of sorts. That silly elf helped figure out the missing numbers." So they'll have to use the UV flashlight as well as figuring out the missing number. When seeing the order that was written 1, 2, 3, 4, they'll be able to place it in order to get the code 4256. For the directional lock, you can put the directional lock puzzle somewhere in the room or up on a wall. After reading the note that's at the top that Santa and the elves need to check every location, if they read that, they'll follow along from Santa and go to the direction of right, left, up, right, left in order to unlock that directional lock. For the ABC lock, you're going to place or hide the puzzles that are shown all here, somewhere in the room. They can also be put inside of an envelope if you would like and hide it. They'll notice here that the elves' moves are telling them something. They'll have the 120 charts available, and when they color in the numbers for each elf and Santa, it will make a letter on each chart. They'll have to put them in order though, so there's a little bit of a clue here. The peppermints show the order. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 will make the word trees. For the digital locks, you can cut out the 9 reindeer that are shown here, Santa's sleigh, and this QR code that's going to be taking them to the digital portion. You can place Santa's sleigh with the directions on the table in the room and hide the 9 reindeer around the room for them to find and find the one that has the QR code on the back of Rudolph. Or, for a challenge, hide only 8 reindeer, have the teams identify and tell you which one is missing, and then hand them the Rudolph that has the QR code on the back for them to scan for the digital puzzles. The first digital lock that comes up when they scan to get to the Breakout EDU site will be the one of the trail of candy. They'll notice when they put the candy in order by the rainbow colors, red, orange, green, blue, they'll find the code 5543. For the second digital lock puzzle, there's Candy Cane Lane. Students will notice the color of the lights on the sign are red, blue, green in a pattern. When they add up the addresses, so they'll go 5 plus 1 plus 2, will give them the number 8, and then it will be 6, and it will be 9. After completing that digital game, students will get the letter codes to solve this hidden message. So they'll now have the letters that they need to unscramble this lock, which says, "Look by a Christmas book," in order to locate the missing key. Once students have figured out all of the puzzles and digital puzzles, they'll unlock the Breakout EDU box, they'll have found the book, and they'll ask, "Are you really naughty or nice?" Merry Christmas!